What is good, you guys? Back with another vlog, another car vlog at that. We're gonna be installing the carbon fiber mirror caps. So right here, these are the regular mirror caps. So I got carbon fiber mirror caps. I am going to get them ceramic coated, but I just want to throw them on now, and when the other carbon fiber parts come, I'll get it all ceramic coated at once. But these mirror caps, I got them from a, like, you know how Walmart has like a vendor site or whatever, vendor section. These carbon fiber mirror caps were like $100. So they're real carbon fiber, authentic and everything. I mean, well, it doesn't match. Obviously it's not gonna match straight, but yeah, I guess I messed up on that one. But let me check they do go with the it goes with the wing though. But yeah, so we're gonna be installing this tonight. It's probably it's like 10 o'clock. Well, not 10 o'clock, sorry, it's like 8 o'clock. What you want to do is, you don't have to run a window, but you want to put the mirrors all the way down, because you're gonna have to go in, basically coming from the top, and then gently, without breaking it, pull it towards you so it can come out of the bracket. So now that we have a light, you want to take your trimming tool and then put it in between the cloth and gently press down here, and then take the prying tool in. Okay, got that side, got that side. All right. Okay, come on. You want to work your way around, I guess. All right, got that off. The next thing, so do I get this? So these are the dimming mirrors. So I guess you want to unplug these. Well, you don't have to unplug them really. Let me just stick that back in. You don't have to unplug them. What else you want to do is get another piece of cloth to cover up the door so it doesn't scratch, the mirror doesn't scratch. I think it's done. This isn't the best fit. It's in there, but it's not the best fit for it. It could be better. Let me show you. So it lines up. I guess it, like, if you look right here, like right here, there's a couple. I mean, it says in the description, leave, like, expect the 1 to 3 centimeter off. I guess 1 to 3 centimeters off of the fitment, but I don't know. I see that as off a little bit in some places, but especially right here. Let me see if I can close this. It's not closing. Hold on. So right here is where the biggest gap is. I mean, it fits in there okay. It's nothing, it's in there. It's not coming out, it's snapped in. But there's like a little here and there off fitments Other than that, it's pretty okay. Even for BMW, you can see like an off line right here, and I didn't replace this. Okay, so after struggling so hard, finally got it back on. I'll say there are fitment issues. It's not as easy as it seems. There's if you can see right there, there's a gap over there. You can't really see over here, but there is, like, it's not flush over here. I mean, know what to expect. Anyways, like they said, as you can see right there too, it's not flush, like at the corner. Yeah. All right, so same routine. Put your trimming tool. This is not a trimming tool, remember. Get your trimming tool, put it in between the cloth. Put your hands down here and put gentle pressure. Stick the cloth in here. You gently pry out. Well, pry towards you. So. It's a sketchy thing to do. Oh my goodness. Do not want to be doing this. Okay, got that out. So what I had to do for the other side, I'm not gonna do for this side, because I ended up having to remove this when I didn't need to remove this. So all you really need to do is remove the piece. Let me zoom in. All you really need to do is stick a pin in here to remove the clipping from the housing to the cap. And then same thing goes for the other side, where it's in here somewhere, if I can get it to work right. But so what it is you got to detach the housing right here, this black housing that clips onto this side, and this side and this side. So that's gonna be the one I pointed out right here, and then it's gonna be one right on the opposite side in the top corner over here, right there. Set that there. Okay, so what I found is I had to use needle nose pliers to make it easier to come out, because there's two sides. One side clips inside the back, this housing right here, the mounts. One side clips in and one side is like rigid. So you kind of have to spread them both apart so that way this cap can come off. Now, trying to get this back in. This is like, the hardest part is trying to fit these little prongs in, because like they have this like tilt up kind of thing going on for it. So that's just the hard part. So trying to adjust that part to go in. This one has a little, okay, so I feel like this side has a better fitment. Still, this corner over here has like it's a little off. It's not flush, but I feel like it's better than the other side, but there's like sides that is flush on here. Well, that's better on here, that's off on that side, but then that side is better than here on some of the parts. So now putting the mirror back on. Remember, just evenly push in and it is in. Yep. All right, so let me show you the fitment. So this is the end result. This light is too bright, really. But as I was saying, it's really not flush, as you can see. So if you look at it, well, if this camera focuses the right way, it's not as flush as it's supposed to be. And you can see right here. So, I mean, it's in there, but, and it's not going nowhere. But yeah, this is the end result. Subscribe, like, share, comment, hit that bell notification so you can see when you can get notifications when I drop vlogs. Have any suggestions, let me know. And yeah, there are some new things coming, new wheels. The wrap is kind of on hold because of this virus that's going around, so businesses are being shut down. And where I'm taking my car to is being like the area there, they're not all non-essential businesses are getting closed. I don't know what's up with my vocabulary right now, but yeah. So wrap will probably be delayed. The wheels are coming. I am definitely going lower, so I'm not sure what kind of suspension I'm gonna be using, what kind of lowering springs I'm getting. Right now I got iBot, so I think I'm gonna try the EMD, I believe it's called, Emmanuel something, whatever. See you on the next one.